Good morning, students. This video is for class 3 science. Maths. And today we will start a new exercise, that is exercise number 13.2. I have already given you the details of this chapter, like different types of lines, then what are parallel lines, then what are different terms related to geometry. I have already given you. So let us begin with exercise number 13.2. Draw a line segment of the following measurement. That means they have given you, suppose question number 1a, they have given you a line segment called AB is equal to 4 centimeter. You will take the ruler or scale, and suppose this is the scale. You will not draw this is only for you to understand. You have a scale, the marking starts with 0, then you have 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 2 20 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 3 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 4. Like this you have marking in your scale. So you'll put your scale, first you take a dot, small dot, not a big one, small dot, and measuring with the scale 4 centimeter, you measure with the scale and put a dot to the end. After doing that, you see they have given the name of the line segment. You write here A and B, and here you write what is the measurement? 4 centimeter. And make sure you use the ruler to draw the line. And as I have already told you that this time there will be a written exam for you all, so keep that in mind. So whatever the measurement they have given you, you have to take, like for example number F, MN is equal to 7 centimeter. You have to mark here, and from here you will draw 7 centimeter and mark ending point there, and here M N, and this will be your 7 centimeter. I hope all of you have understood. Okay, let us move on to question number 2. In question number 2, they have said measure the given line segment. So they have already given you some line segment and you have to measure it. How will you measure it? Let me tell you. So suppose this is the line number 2A, this is the line, and they have already written here AB. They have given you the name of the line. Now take your scale, put the zero beginning, starting point here, and place the scale along the line, on top of the line, and you see where it ends. Wherever it ends, take the marking and write. Suppose this is 5.2 centimeters. Suppose you will take your scale, you will put the zero marking here, and you see till which marking does the line extend, and the ending point you mark and see how much it is, and then write the measurement below. This is for question number 2. Coming to question number 3. In question number 3, they have said identify the parallel lines and put a tick against the given line. Now you will draw all the figure. So let suppose question number A. So you all know that parallel lines are those lines which will never meet each other. It is not that in the figure it is not meeting. No, it is not. Which will never meet. That means if you extend, suppose if you extend, you will see they will also extend, but they will never meet. So whichever lines do not meet each other, that lines are known as parallel lines. No matter if it is this also, suppose this one, for example this one, and here this is not parallel lines, because if you extend little bit, it is going to meet. So the lines which will never meet, they are known as parallel lines. Here in case of this, only A and C are parallel lines. B is also not parallel lines. If you see the bottom of the line, if you extend, it will meet. You extend little bit further, and you see one point, both the lines will meet each other. So the lines which will meet each other, if you extend the line, if you draw the line, if you extend the line, those lines are known as parallels. If it will not meet, no matter how far you extend. Number 4, identify the parallel lines in these figures and write their names. So let me do one for you. you have to identify the parallel lines. That means to think that which line is parallel line, suppose let me take number 4b, because A and C you can do it by yourself. Let me draw the figure. Here P, Q, R, S, T, U. Now they have said first you have to identify which are parallel. And you see parallel line symbol they have given you. I'll tell you. Now P, this line PQ is parallel to which line? This line? No. PQ is parallel to this one, SR. That means if these two lines are stretched further, they will not meet. So first number, you see how many lines are there? PQ, capital letter PQ parallel means you will draw two lines like this. PQ parallel to SR. You have to mention. Unless you mention, how will we know that which lines are parallel? So PQ are parallel to SR. This is number one. Number two, PS is parallel to QR. PS parallel to QR. Number three. Now you see this line, this ST is parallel to RU. ST parallel to RU. Number four. You see this SR parallel to, means this line is parallel to this. If you stretch further, they will not meet. That means they are parallel. So SR is parallel to TU. If these two lines are parallel, automatically PQ parallel to TU. I hope you have understood how to do. So question number 4, I have done one for you, and you will do the remaining. Number 5, with the help of the ruler, draw two sets of parallel lines. Very simple. Using your scale, you have to draw two sets of parallel lines. They did not ask you to take the measurement. They did not say. So you will take your scale. You'll number 1, two sets. 1, 2. See that they don't meet also, not only in the figure, but if you stretch also, then also they will not meet. So you have to think that don't make this as your parallel line. Just because they are not meeting in the figure, if you stretch this further, it will meet somewhere. So this cannot be your parallel line. And number 6, give 5 example of parallel lines from your surroundings. You see whatever this board, this blackboard is a parallel line. The side of the board is parallel line. The railway tracks are parallel line. The walls of the houses are parallel line. So you think of that and you have to write 5 example. So children, for today we will keep it till here. Make sure you do this in the copy, because this time you will have your written exam. So for today up to this much. Thank you class.